This is new for me because I only know Mecca.
Oh, okay. There are other names like Lebanon in New Hampshire, Damascus in Maryland, Baghdad in
Uh,
Florida.
yeah. He mentioned about that actually. Yeah. Yeah, I
Yeah.
want to tell us. I want to tell something. I did actually progress in English. You know how? I started to post my videos, and we are right.
Oh, okay. Let me see
Yeah, we
around.
are
Okay,
right.
wait. You start to post your videos and then.
Oh, let me show you my neighborhood.
Ah, I can see palm trees. I like it already. Palm trees. It's like a regular street.
What do you call it? Palm
It's
trees?
regular palm trees.
Palm. Yeah, palm trees. Yeah, it's it's an Arab trees.
Yeah.
You can find it. You can find it where? You can find it in Saudi Arabia and in Iraq.
Palm trees? Yeah. Also in Florida, California. Turkey.
There's a city there in America. Okay, it's called Mecca. I think it's located in California. Mecca.
Where?
Macca. تليفون كمل. Mecca. You know,
Where?
they got some palm trees from Iraq and then planted there in Mecca.
What? Wait, where is the Mecca in the United States?
Just
US.
USA.
Oh, Mecca, California.
Yeah, it has like a lot of palm trees there, and they actually got these plants from trees from Iraq and planted there in California.
Oh my God, it's the tiniest city I've ever seen in my life. It's like 4 streets.
Yeah, but I saw like a video about that. The It was like actually a YouTuber. He's from Saudi Arabia, and he was discovering United States. So he says in his video that there are so many cities called Mecca around the states. Yeah.
How come? I have never heard of that.
Yeah, he just put on his YouTube video like the thumbnail, the American Mecca. That thumbnail actually got me. What, Mecca in America? How is that possible?
Yeah, but I only see one. Where are the others?
I don't know, just like Mecca.
Oh, 10 US cities with Arab city and country names. What? I know there's a Medina. I know that.
Medina in the United States.
Yeah, there's a Medina in the United States. I think closer to me, like closer to New York. Not in New York, but closer to New York.
Mm. This is new for me because I only know Mecca.
Oh, okay. There are other names like Lebanon in New Hampshire, Damascus in Maryland, Baghdad in Florida.
Yeah. He mentioned about that actually. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Baghdad in Florida sounds good.
It does.
And Baghdad in Iraq. I'm here in Iraq, and there you should visit. You should visit Baghdad there.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Alexandria. That's
Alexandria, Egypt.
like in Egypt. Yeah. Cairo, Illinois. Oh my God. Palestine. Oh, Texas.
What did you write? And then this stuff showed up for you.
I just said I said Mecca, USA City, and then this popped up. Yeah.
Popped up for you. To
I
you.
sent you a link. You can look at the website.
Yeah.
California, Jordan, Minnesota. Where's Tyre?
Where's what?
Tyre, Tyre,
Ty
RE.
Tyre.
It's oh wait a minute.
Tyre City.
Yeah, it's supposed to be an Arab city name. It's located in New York, but
Yeah.
oh, okay. It's a coastal city in southern Lebanon. Okay, Tyre. I've never even heard of it.
Me either. Yeah.
Okay. It's not very good.
Let me continue with the short
Go.
videos. I started to post like short videos because
Okay.
YouTube said if you post short videos, you will get like new subscribers.
Okay.
So I started to post short
Oh,
videos,
shorts?
and short videos, and I start to put like English subtitle.
Okay.
Okay, and I figure out actually like my tutors, they speak so many words that I don't catch from the session. I just like catch the first three words, and I understand like the whole sentence. But
Yeah.
when it comes to writing, because I have to write everything, every single word, every single prepositions. So, oh, like I had a session a year ago with you, and I used to like review this session over and over. But when I started to write down the subtitles, wow, Millie, she said so many things that I didn't catch. you know.
And I'm always telling everybody, listen, stop me when you don't understand something, you know?
No, I think this happened to all English learners.
Of course, you know? I mean, it's the same thing with us. Like when you're doing like a Spanish video, I understand like 5 or 6 words and I'm like, okay, I get it.
Okay, see,
It's normal.
like wow, even sometimes like she said like I have to I have to record like this part of this video,
Yeah.
okay, and then like send to my friends, like for example for Jocelyn, what did she say? I don't understand her.
Yeah. People ask me all the time, Yasin asked me, Joyson asks me, like, he's like, can you repeat whatever you said here? You can just ask me. I can help you.
Sometimes you speak very fast, though I can't like
I
even
know, and I forget that because sometimes you guys speak English really well, so I forget that I'm talking to a
yeah.
student, you know?
I'm like very happy with that. You know why? Because sometimes I feel when I speak with my tutors, they think that like I am not understand, so they speak like a robot.
Yeah.
I know some English, so it's okay. Speak and
I
speak
know,
with
yeah.
like American expression.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I do that with a lot of my students too. I have to talk like this so that they catch every word.
Yeah.
And it's difficult for me too.
Yeah, I understand you.
Yeah.
And I started like a new habit a month ago, like the same short videos, but I started to translate it to Arabic, like English subtitle, Arabic subtitle.
Okay, good.
Some sentences, expressions, they are like don't exist
Oh,
in
right.
Arabic. You
Yeah.
know.
Yeah.
So I don't have to like translate it literally. I have to like use my expressions.